It's art snacks time! Yay! Okay. We have Crybaby. Extra sour. Automatic long point. Precision sharpener. Includes 2 spare blades. Wow. Never had such a fancy pencil sharpener. Let's take a look. Oh, there's the blades hiding in there. Wow, fancy. I'm sure I have something that needs to be sharpened, don't I? Somewhere? Okay. Where are my pencils? There we go. Pencils. Regular lead pencil. Yeah, that's pretty flat. So, are they different? I think one says no. I need instructions. Shape the wood, then the lead. Shape the wood, then the lead. Okay. Well, I'm thinking this is shape the wood. How far down will it go? It'll probably go for... Oh, wow. It goes forever. See, look at that. Okay, I have a little wood there, though. Maybe I should go just a smidge longer. Okay. Wow, this is funky. Oh, and you can see the little spiral on there. You can tell which way I push. Okay, now we're going to shape the lead. I feel worried about this. How far do I go? Usually with a pencil sharpener, I go till it stops. Okay, I think it kind of stopped. Wow. That is serious fine point. Okay, what do I got to... Piece of paper. Always without a piece of paper. Scrap paper. Come on, people. There we go. It was a super fine point, so it did snip a little bit. But, wow, okay. That's fancy. Cool. Okay. So my ultra special pencil sharpener, I'm really liking that. And it has a little art snack symbol on the side. Oh, and we've got our, it's green this time. I need to stick them all in one place and have like a whole rainbow of color. So that was the Cum Automatic Long Point Sharpener. Sharpen your pencil in style with the automatic long point sharpener. Well, that's very cool. Sharpen your pencil with the first blade to shape the wood, and then sharpen it with the second blade to shape the lead. Oh, and an automatic stop function, that's what it means by automatic, to prevent breakage. Well, so I know it would have stopped me. Okay. Now for the rest of the package. That's a good one for summer, right? Fun stuff. Oh, okay. You know, I automatically have to go for the big thing. Sumo grip. Oh, it's a retractable eraser. Regularly $4.80. Oh, and this pencil sharpener, by the way, is $10.65. That's US. I'm not supposed to pull that part off. Huh? It's black. Okay, this is just weird. Okay. It's a clicky. Okay, there we go. Okay. But it's black. Okay. I'm gonna read it. Well, let's see first. Does it make black smudges? You probably can't see it, but I can still see it. Pull out. This is my one from last time, right? Still see that too. Okay, it's the lid. Cool though. Very cool. Okay, next big thing. Touch twin marker. Okay. I'm just all over the place. Okay. Experience the touch of real brush strokes with a marker. Touch twin brush marker features a flexible fiber brush nib on one end and a medium wide chisel on the other. On what color? It's sort of a, it says mauve shadow. Alright, there's your chisel. That's definitely a chisel. Oh, yeah, I always like these rubbery things. Okay. Interesting color. Alright, next big one. Zig Millennium 5. So that's, I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it with my camera. It's not the smallest fine point, but it's a good one. Works. Anyway. Alright, that is $1.99 retail. And the last thing is Caran d'Ache Edelweiss pencil. Don't be fooled by the simple design. It's anything but basic. Cedar casing, smooth core, precise long-lasting point, easily erasable. Okay, here's the test for the eraser. Okay. So we'll do my S again. Test it out. You can still see it, but that's probably me. If I write really lightly, like you're supposed to when you're sketching something and you want to be able to erase your lines. There, gone. Boom. Okay. So, what can I create with mauve shadow and a pen and a pencil? Because the other is an eraser and a sharpener. Have to think about that. I'll be back. So since it's June, I figured I would do an ATC, and the plan was to do a girl dancing, but I ended up putting a long skirt on her. She could still be dancing. She's just not in a leotard or a tutu. It could be a dancing dress. Use my big chunky eraser to erase her legs out of the middle of the skirt. Just outline her in the black. I decided I needed to see if it was waterproof, and it looks like it pretty much is, so I will play with that. The marker's pretty waterproof too. Oh, and don't write over wet paper. I'm gonna ruin my marker before I've even started using it. decided I wanted more than just purple on here. So I do pull out my watercolors here in a second. And we're going to do purple and yellow. What do you think about that? I don't know why. I was just in the mood for yellow and purple. Doesn't look too bad together, does it? So let that get dry and then come in with the marker again to make that ground a little bit more solid. And I had to put something in that spot. I figured that little clock would work. Pulling out my words. And inspire fits. We will cover that up with the, what was it, Dusty Mauve. And put that on the ATC. There we go. Okay, art snacks done, and one more ATC down. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.